What's up, everybody? I'm gonna jump on here real quick, let you know, keep you in the loop what's happening. Now, tomorrow is day 2 of going to the studio, so tonight is the night before. I think I said that right. Tonight is the night before day 2 of going to the studio. Well, bottom line is, tomorrow we're going to the studio, we're gonna keep it simple. We're knocking out the ad-libs, voiceovers, and sound effects for Crazy World and Blessings. Now, the game plan is to get these songs, ad-libs, all that stuff done, get the songs completely done, then go ahead and start the process of getting the mix and master. As soon as we get a mix and master, we can slide out to y'all so y'all can have some music to listen to while I'm completing the EP. Now, first we're gonna try to slide out Blessings, let that resonate for a while, then slide out Crazy World, let that resonate. And by that time, hopefully the EP's done, and we can head that out there and keep it moving. So that's it. Keep you in the loop. Now we'll see y'all tomorrow. What's up? It's tomorrow. Well, it's today, but tomorrow from last night. Now I got a little bit extra time on my hands, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little walk, clear my mind. Because what I learned is, as important as it is what you do when you go to the studio, it's important what you do before. And walking helps clear my mind and get me ready to be, be at my A game. So take a quick little walk, check the scene out. Now today, check my checklist. Last night, I sent them over the stems for Blessings and Crazy World. Stems are just the background noises and beats and sounds and stuff. Sent them over the lyrics, ad-libs, and sound effects. Did I say sound effects? Well, sound effects. Long story short, I sent them over everything you need so we can go there and just jump right into it. All right, so that end's done. So now I just gotta take care of business. Right now, relax and just take a quick little walk. All right, let's get it. Let's pop this top. Okay, I'm here at my destination. I've arrived. It is 11:17. About to walk into 12, so I'll just sit here, eat my orange if I can find it, and practice my ad-libs, and just relax. So, here we go. Day 2, studio time. Let's get it. Okay, time to go in. Good luck stick. Carry around good luck stick, because you gotta have two. Crucial. Let's get it. Everything I need. Hope so. Let's do this. Alright. Day 2. About to be in the books. Hello, hello. What's going on?
Hey, how you doing?
Hi. I'm here to see Dave. 12 o'clock appointment.
Yes. You let me know that I can show you back.
Okay, perfect. How you doing today?
I'm doing good. How about
Oh,
yourself?
I'm fantastic. I'm gonna make some hits.
Awesome. I'll show you back in.
What's your name, bro?
I'm Chris.
Chris, Maurice. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Take it easy.
Have a good one.
It's a day. Hey, how you doing, sir?
Man.
How you doing? How you doing? Nice to see you back in the game.
Yes.
Did you get the email?
I downloaded everything. I got the tracks in on Blessings.
Cool.
Sounds good. I didn't have to really do any, like, a very good company you're working with.
Mhm.
They give you the stereo mix, which we started using. Remember that we didn't have the individual tracks, and then they make individual tracks such that when you put them all up at 0, it's the same mix.
Okay.
As we've been working with.
So you're very, very.
It's very cool.
Shades on, straight sipping.
And then it's got to fade down.
Come on, those straight sipping. When I say sipping, you go hit them with the straw sound.
Okay.
Top down, hoodie up, seat back, shades on, straight
armor clashing.
Okay, now that
shield. Yeah.
I want to put it over and over again a couple times.
Okay.
Like I gotta hear it to see exactly.
Yeah.
Like, ching, 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 ching.
Like musically though, like a loop kind of.
Yeah,
feel?
because like these are trying to. It's gonna sound like. Ching.
Oh, that's a little violent now. So hang on.
Straight sipping. I ain't even flexing this time.
That's better. So is that okay then or not?
Straight sipping. I ain't even flexing this time. I just be chilling, enjoying this feeling of this moment.
Because to me, you're chilling,
Yeah.
and it's good. Stereo input bus. Then here band.
Magical like an abracadabra. Baby boppy boo. Voila. Kazam. I done messed around with lies who I ain't.
Three, I want to be too many there. So, bibbidi boppity boo. What is that? Abracadabra.
Yeah.
Bibbidi boppity boo. Voila, kazam.
Yeah.
So in between voila and kazam.
Do it there then. Okay. All right. Cool.
Magical like an abracadabra. Baby boppy boo. Voila. Kazam. I done messed around.
I see. You're right.
Not a little too assy.
Well, it sort of speaks like too low fidelity to me for this because it's the hook, right?
Sometimes it feels like the world's gone crazy, and I'm trying to face it head on, but I can't keep doing this daily. What's going on? Sometimes it feels like the world is changing, and I can't escape it. Hell no, my God, what's happening lately? What's going on?
Here it is.
Like the world is changing, and I can't escape it. Hell no, my God, what's happening lately? What's going on?
Fast life living. I was trying to get away, but like a little pup.
Yeah. Now.
Living life in the fast lane, you ain't understand how this feels. The whole time I was sober, only thing kept me going. I knew one day I would relapse, and perhaps while I was dead, I went so big, I blacked out and collapsed. Living life in the fast lane, you ain't understand how this feels. The whole time I was sober, only thing kept me going.
Good. All right. Sorry, I just need this one. Need a little bit of TLC with the but it's all good now. So
40 Summers Entertainment, Acid Bath Productions. Click clack.
So that's the click clack. Like sitting at a table, like looking away, like holding a drink, and then you see like Uhura from the OG ones, and then they show William Shatner, and it's like, wow, man, it was every single character in all the Star Trek. We'll get to that, and then the gasp is
Just stop the heartbeat. Is that too much? Could do my own gas. Not too much, okay.
Let me turn it down a little. Okay, it ain't gonna be that loud. But where does that go?
Right after I want to stop the heartbeat, it's gonna boom, 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 boom. Then you stop the heartbeat, and then then the beat comes back. So the beat's still off.
I see. Okay, so maybe
Because basically, like I flatline, basically I'm dead, and then you burn back to life. The heartbeats, and I just
Came back to.
so the defibrillator is just a tiny bit shorter in time. It should be fine.
Oh my God, what's happening lately? What's going on?
Clear.
I came back to. My dark day was over. 40 Summers Entertainment, Acid Bath Productions. Click clack.
I've been on the way for a minute. They hurtin', they talking about it. The crew taking off like a rocket. They heard it, we moving, we flat. I grinded, they give me a big chain. That's how we moving, we rockin'. I heard.